Welcome to Orion Auto Update, your go-to source for the latest in motorcycles, ATVs, and all things off-road. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting dirt bikes in the market, the Fantic XX 250. With its Italian engineering, Yamaha-derived power, and race-ready components, this bike is built to dominate the motocross and enduro scenes. Let's break down what makes the Fantic XX 250 a serious competitor. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Fantic XX 250 lies a 249cc two-stroke, liquid-cooled engine, based on the renowned Yamaha YZ250. This powerhouse delivers exceptional performance with strong mid-range torque and a high-revving top end, making it ideal for aggressive riding. The V-Force 4-reed valve system enhances throttle response, while the CDI ignition ensures precise spark timing for optimal combustion. Whether you're blasting through straightaways or tackling technical sections, this engine offers raw power and reliability. Chassis and suspension. Fantic equips the XX250 with a lightweight aluminum frame, derived from Yamaha's proven motocross design. This ensures a perfect balance between rigidity and flexibility, allowing for excellent handling. The KYB suspension system, featuring fully adjustable front forks and a rear shock, provides smooth damping and stability over rough terrain. Whether you're launching off jumps or navigating tight corners, this bike delivers confidence-inspiring control. Braking and wheels. Braking power comes from a Nissin hydraulic system, with a large front disc ensuring sharp stopping performance. The Excel rims, wrapped in high-traction motocross tires, offer durability and grip across various surfaces. Combined, these components ensure the Fantic XX 250 stays planted and responsive, even under extreme conditions. Technology and features. The XX 250 integrates modern technology to enhance the riding experience. The bilateral beam frame contributes to improved weight distribution, while the race-tuned exhaust system maximizes power output. Additionally, the bike features a lightweight subframe and ergonomic seat design, providing excellent rider comfort and control during long rides. Final thoughts. The Fantic XX 250 is more than just a dirt bike, it's a competition-ready machine designed for serious riders. With its Yamaha-derived engine, race-spec suspension, and high-quality components, it stands as a top contender in the 250cc two-stroke category. If you're looking for a bike that combines power, agility, and reliability, the Fantic XX 250 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning into Orion Auto Update. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to subscribe for more updates on the latest off-road machines. Ride safe and see you next time.